Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to install and use the trade plugin. This plugin allows you to trade with other players using a GUI which prevents scamming and makes the trading experience much better. To install the plugin, head over to the plugin section, go over to the Spigot tab and search for Trade, like so. It should be the one with the green icon. Install the version that is compatible with your server and restart. Alternatively, you can download it from the plugin page and upload it into your plugins folder manually. Once you're in game with the correct permissions, the only command you need to use is /trade and then the player name. This will send a request message to that player for them to accept the trade. Once they accept it, it will open a GUI in which you can trade whatever items you like. When you're happy with what items you're giving and receiving, press the Accept Trade icon. Both players must press that icon to successfully trade. And as you can see, once that's done, the trade is now complete. Now, all you have to do is just close the GUI and you're done. As you can see, I've got my items on both accounts. When it comes to customizing the plugin, you can change all the messages and even permission nodes in the config. Locate the config in the plugins folder right here. At the top, you can change the permission nodes for trading and reloading the plugin. Then all the chat messages here. Beneath that, you can change the trade settings, such as how far players have to be from one another in order to trade, and the time allowed, which is how long the trade requests last for. You can also change the inventory titles here, and at the very bottom, you can change what the icons say when you hover over them. And that's about it. It's pretty simple. Apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.